Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your YouTube channel with YouTube ads in 2023. YouTube ads, a powerful tool to increase visibility, reach a wider audience, and grow your subscriber base. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create and optimize your Google Ads to effectively promote your channel. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. And of course, here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you have in your PC or preferred browser you have. And before diving into the YouTube ads, it's important to define your advertising goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your ads, whether it's increasing subscribers, driving views on specific videos, or raising brand awareness. Clear goals will help you create targeted and effective ad campaigns. And of course, you'll have now to set up like a Google Ads account. To run YouTube ads, you'll need a Google Ads account. If you don't have one already, you'll simply have to go and visit Google Ads website to create an account. So go to this URL section, simply type Google Ads and hit the enter button. Once you do so, go to this first link and make sure to go and click on sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can always go and click on start now. And of course, you'll have to go and create your account from the beginning. So for me, even if I click on start now or sign in, they will take me to the same area because I already logged in into my account before here. So they just took me into the home screen when I go to ads. And of course, for you, you will have to go and create an account and then follow this step process, provide the necessary information, and set up your advertising budget. Once you do so, of course, once your Google Ads account is set up, you will need to link your YouTube channel to Google Ads. So once you do so, of course, this will allow you to create ad campaigns directly related to your channel. In Google Ads, you'll have to simply navigate to linked account section and follow the prompts to connect your YouTube channel. So you'll normally find it at here, tools and settings. Click on it and you will find it, I guess, and set up. Yeah, linked accounts. Click on it. And of course, from here, you can see here, as you can see, YouTube. So those are from Google, are even easy to link that, and you will not have any problem linking it. Of course, other options may take some time, but it's not that hard, so don't worry about that. So as I said, you will have to simply go and choose YouTube, and of course, as you can see, details, and you'll have to follow the prompt to link your YouTube channel. So click on add channel here, and of course, you'll have to simply add a search for channel or paste the URL here. So I'm just going to type, I don't know, I'm just going to type this. And let's see, so no channel found. So it's going to be better if you just simply paste the URL here and click on add channel. Then of course, you'll have to go and identify the target audience. So understanding your target audience is crucial for effective ad targeting. You can use YouTube analytics and audience insight to gain a deeper understanding of your existing viewers. Identify their demographics, interests, and viewing habits. This information will help you create more relevant ads and reach the right audience. Of course, you can do all of that on YouTube Studio if you don't know. You can go to YouTube Studio as an example. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to see everything from the analytics here. So you'll be to see everything and don't worry about that. And this YouTube Studio analytics will do kind of everything for you. So, of course, those informations that you will find here will help you create more relevant ads and reach the right audience. So, after that, of course, you'll have to go and create ad compelling content. So, let's just go back. So, you will have, of course, to start compelling or YouTube. Or the key to a successful YouTube ad is creating compelling content that grabs attention and engage viewers. Consider the format of your ad, whether it's a pre-roll ad, display ad, or bumper ad. Craft a clear and concise message. Showcase your channel unique value value proposition and include a strong call to action to encourage viewers to subscribe or watch more of your content. Then make sure to set up and add campaign parameters. In Google Ads, you will set up your ad campaign parameter, define your ad budget and targeting options, ad formats and campaigns duration. Consider factors like ad placement, keywords, demographics, and interests to reach your target audience effectively. The next step normally is going to be like monitor and optimize the ad performance. So once your ads are live, regularly monitor their performance and make necessary optimization. Track metrics like click-through rate, view rate, and engagement. Experiment with different ad variations, targeting options, and bidding strategies to maximize your ads' effectiveness. Make sure to even analyze the results and refine the strategy. So, after running your ad campaign, analyze the results and gather insights, identify what worked well and what can be improved so you can adjust your targeting and messaging or ad format based on the data you've collected. Continuously refine your ad strategy to optimize performance and drive better results. And of course, you can after that leverage remarketing and custom audiences. So to further enhance your ad campaign, consider leveraging remarketing and custom audiences. Use YouTube remarketing feature to target users who have previously interacted with your channel or videos. Create custom audience based on specific criteria such as viewer engagement or interests to tailor your ads even further. You can even collaborate with influencers and cross promote. So expand your reach by collaborating with influencers or YouTube creators in your niche. And of course, finally, you can engage with your audience. So finally, don't forget to engage with your audience throughout the ad campaign. Respond to any comments, answer any questions, and foster a sense of community so you will build the strong and healthy community. Building a strong connection with your viewers will not only encourage them to subscribe, but also increase their likelihood of sharing your content with others. Because sharing is caring, and sharing always wins in YouTube. So, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to promote your YouTube channel with YouTube ads in 2023. By setting clear advertising goals, creating compelling ad content, targeting the right audience, monitoring, optimizing your campaigns, and leveraging marketing and collaboration, you are on your way to growing your YouTube channel. Remember to engage with your audience and continuously refine your strategy based on data and insights. So, thank you for watching and best of luck with your YouTube advertising journey. And I'll see you in the next video.